Looking for a pruning shears? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 7 pruning shears available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect pruning shears for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 7 on our list, we have the Gonic 8 Professional Premium Shears. The Gonic shears are 8 inches long and have wide, titanium bypass-style blades that cut through really thick limbs. This design is the best for trimming live plants because of the toughness and pliability of the branches. One neat feature of the Gonic Professional Premium Shears is a sap groove. This redirects sap oozing from plants away from the blade in your hand. The Comfort Grip design lets you put more power and strength behind your cut without causing stress on your hands, even when cutting through tough tree branches. The Gonic shears can be used by anyone, but many users with small hands find that the open width is uncomfortable and too wide for them to use with one hand. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Starting at number 6 on our list, we have the Wilfix 25 Bypass Lopper. The handles are made from steel, so they won't bend or break, and the handle covers provide a good, comfortable grip while absorbing vibration and movement. The Wilfix shears are good for pruning and shaping shrubs and can be used for cutting, trimming, and pruning other plants. But it is a little too big to use on smaller plants and definitely isn't the best for use on indoor plants. At number 5 on our list, we have the Vivison 6.5-inch Hand Pruner. The Vivison hand pruning shears use an anvil blade design. This makes them great at cutting through dead, dried stems and small limbs quickly and cleanly. The needle nose blades get into small places easily and feature a locking system for safely storing in between use. These pruning shears can be used on both inside and outside plants, but they aren't the best for cutting live limbs. This is because the inside of live limbs is more pliable and harder to cut. Bypass shears are better for this. The Vivison shears also aren't strong enough to prune most tree branches, but may be able to handle smaller limbs on bushes and shrubs. At number 4 on our list, we have the Fiskars Micro Tip Pruning Shears. 2-inch, long-nosed shears. These shears look like a fancy pair of scissors and are used like them too. The long skinny tip gets into thick brambles and leaves to reach the stems you need without disrupting others around it. The Fiskars pruning shears are sharp enough to cut through rose stems and can be used for shaping plants, like bonsai plants. They are also handy for cutting fresh herbs from indoor gardens. The grips are covered with a non-slip material that is also comfortable to hold and use with your bare hands, though the holes of the handles are wide enough to use while wearing gardening gloves too. The shape of these shears allows for both right and left-handed gardeners to easily hold and use. The stainless steel blades will stay sharp for a long time, especially if you store them with the included blade cover. This cover is small, however, and poses a risk for choking to small children. Number 3 on our list, we have the Haas and Garten Titanium Pruning Shears. One of the best features of these pruning shears is its long handle with anti-slip cushions and shock-absorbing pads. It's also ergonomically designed, which means it's more comfortable to hold and less tiring to use. It's also made from a heavy-duty titanium that can stand the test of time. At number 2 on our list, we have the Vremi Garden Pruning Shears with rust-proof blades. You won't have to worry about rust or stains, as these pruning shears are made from stainless steel. You can use the pruning shears indoors and outdoors, and there's even a thumb-operated safety lock for added protection against accidental cuts. If you suffer from arthritis or joint pain, you'll also appreciate the comfort grip that minimizes the strain pruning shears put on your hands. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have Fiskars Steel Bypass Pruning Shears. Keep your trees and shrubs in optimal health with these pruning shears. The shears are made using a precision ground steel blade that can cut through small branches. A low-friction coating was also added to the blade to prevent rust from forming and tree sap from sticking. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.